Hello, welcome back my YouTube channel. Alang ya page ya kane kacing hikai ngawanra shapi kacing ya keren bat ya tek shi samla. Lada piyok skill jing mentoy na kane ka video wat nam beglet ban share lem shiki perlok lane haying hasam jongpi wat nam glet ro ban like, share and subscribe ya kane ka channel. Alangin yes dang no. Are you at home? Kasi Pidon haying. Yes, I'm at home. Kasi haoy ngadon haying. I want to meet you. Kasi ngagwa ban yakendo yapi. Can we meet tomorrow? Kasi long ngin ya kendo la shy. Because I'm not free today. Kasi namar ngam like benta kasni. Where are you going? Kasi shano pinlek. No, I'm not going anywhere. Kasi em ngam lek shano ro. Actually, I have some work to do. Kasi ha kacing shisha ngadon kato kane kikam banle. That is why, if possible, we can meet tomorrow. Kasi na kata kadao la dalong kabala nginsa yakendo la shy. Yes, why not? But don't excuse tomorrow. Kasi haoy balay omlong tang ba what I dao pat la shy. No, tomorrow for sure I'm free. Kasi em la shy la tikna beg ngalek. See you tomorrow. Kasi ngin saya kendo la shy. Why so early? Kasi balay tang kata. Where are you? Kasi shano pidon. I'm on the way. Kasi ngadang don halenti. Nice to see you after so long. Kasi sngaw tanat ban yoi biang yapi. Hadin la slembha. I still remember the day I met you. Kasi nga kenmau sa ya kasni banga yakendo yapi. It was the best day of my life. Kasi kadai kasni ka ba bahatam ha ka ching im jonga. I'm missing you. Kasi ngas ngau kunja bahaya pi. I want to be with you. Kasi ngakwa bandon rengkat bat pi. We will be together. Kasi ngin sa don rengkat. I never want to spend my days without you. Kasi ngam kwa ban penlot ya kisngi jonga klam mapi. When you are not with me. Kasi haba phim don bat nga. I feel so lonely. Kasi nga sngew kenja bha. I feel the same. Kasi nga ro nga sngew kumjo. Thank you for your patience. Kasi kublai shibon ya kajing ya sha jongpi. I'm happy that you are mine. Kasi nga sngew kumen ba pide jonga. You are my inspiration. Kasi pide u lane ka nong ai mình sim jonga. Thank you for your love and support. Kasi kublai shibon ya kajing e bat kajing kershan jongpi. Sngew bha share ya kane kajing higai sha kiperlok jongpi lane haying hasam jongpi. Wanam keladru ban like, share and subscribe ya kane ka channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.